Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where it says server not found in Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. So first of all, check the Firefox server status. Okay, go to Mozilla services status and check the condition here. Are all the services up? If yes, then it's good. But if it is for a website, then you'll have to check the server status of that specific website. Okay, now the next one is to check the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then we can proceed further. The next one is to disable extensions because extensions can be a very problematic thing with Firefox. Click on the hamburger symbol here and then you can select this option for add-ons and themes. Go to extensions. If you find any problematic extension here, try disabling it. If that works, then you can remove it completely. The last solution is to reset Firefox, obviously. So click on the hamburger symbol at the top right corner and then select help. Go to more troubleshooting information. Click on refresh Firefox and finally click on this red button here, the one at which I'm hovering my mouse. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.